Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about digital marketing for hotels and how you can utilize digital marketing to get more direct bookings for your hotel. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. So I have a pretty cool diagram here. So digital marketing for hotels. There's really just two main ways you can advertise your hotel online, right? So the definition of digital marketing is just a way to promote your hotel online. And how can we do that? Well, there's two main ways. Firstly, you can do it by paid methods. Secondly, you can do it via the organic methods, right? So paid method is obviously you pay to get views, get bookings, get clicks through different channels online, and organic is just the free version of that. So let's cover organic first because it's a lot more simple. So how can you how can you market your hotel online digitally uh, with a organic method? The first method was through SEO. So SEO is search engine optimization. So basically what you want to do is you want to include very hyper specific keywords that are related to search terms and matching the intent of the user so that your hotel can rank higher on these Google search results page. So what that means might be if your hotel is located somewhere in London, for example, and um, and and you want to sell a package and you want to target, or maybe you want to target business travelers in London, let's say. You might enter specific keywords in your website, such as business travelers in London or best hotel in London for business travelers, right? So that's search engine optimization. There's a lot more to it, definitely, but in the simplest terms, search engine optimization is just including the relevant keywords that matches the user's intent when they search for a term on online on a search engine typically, and that is typically Google. That can also be Bing, but most of the people just use Google to search, right? To rank higher on the search results page. While the second way, in order to organically promote your hotel online, is through social media posts. So obviously, if you haven't if you haven't created a social media profile for your hotel, well, you definitely should because it's a great way to build an audience, great way to build brand advocates and a loyal customer base for your hotel, and you do that by making social media posts. And what I mean by the what kind of post you should make if that's an answer that if that's a question that you have, is that you should not only make promotional content. You shouldn't aim to only sell on social media, if you know what I mean. You should also provide value for the guests, create engaging content such as polls, questions, provide value such as top 5 travel tips, or promote content that connects with your audience, right? Share stories and unique unique stories and brand stories that your hotel has. So that's social media posts. The third way you can promote your hotel online organically is through email. So this is a very effective way and very underrated way for you uh, to to get more bookings, right? Because emails, if you have an email list of your previous customers and you have a promotion, you can easily retarget them really every now and then for them to encourage them to come back and stay at your hotel. It's really good for your customer loyalty, and it's really good to kind of get more bookings directly that way, because maybe previously they booked through an OTA channel, booking.com or Expedia, and now you can use their email in order to retarget them and encourage them to book directly with you. So that's email. The fourth way to promote your hotel organically is through, of course, an OTA. Well, you can what you can do. This is not typically, because online travel agency is definitely not a direct channel, but it's still considered digital marketing, right? Because you're still promoting your hotel, you're still gaining visibility for your hotel online organically, just simply by listing your hotel on an online travel agency site such as booking.com or Expedia. Because we shouldn't aim for uh, 100% getting rid of all of our bookings from third-party sites, because that those sources can be really good, especially during low seasons. But we just have to find the right balance between the two, between direct channels and third-party channels. So definitely list your hotel on online travel agencies, optimize your profile, provide good quality images and videos for them to book from there, and of course, balance is always the key. So we've covered the main organic ways to market your hotel or online, and now let's cover paid. So we have here. So let's cover the first way that you can advertise your hotel online through a paid method. Well, firstly is through Google Ads or um, search engine marketing or search engine ads in general. But I think in my personal experience, Google Ads is the most effective way to target travelers online. There's also other search engines such as Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, but I think Google Ads has been around for a very long time, and there's a lot more people using it compared to other channels. So Google Ads, how are we able to market our hotels online through Google Ads? Well, firstly, we can do that through a normal search campaign. Uh, when when customers search for hotels in London, or insert your hotel name, such as Hotel ABC, you want to show up for those terms and rank higher than the OTAs, in order for customers to click on that first link that they see to visit your hotel website first, and book directly with you. And your aim when they land on that page is to just give them so much value, so much intention, so much incentive for them to book direct, such as 10, 15, even 20% discount when booking direct with us, free late checkouts when booking direct with us. You should constantly promote your direct booking promotions for them to win over customers that way. So that's Google search ads. That's the first way to advertise through Google. The second way is to use display, and display is typically paired with remarketing campaigns. So sometimes you might visit a website, and you might see some of the content, some of the banners, some of the images that are relating to the website that you have visited before, and that is Google display ads in action. It's basically a way for them to retarget your audience. So it's a great way for you to retarget people who have visited your website and left your website to maybe check out a competitor's website, or maybe read a blog on the location that they're arriving in. That can be considered a great way to retarget the people who have visited your website, because the large majority of people don't really just leave your website after they visit it to kind of check out, compare prices on OTA channels, compare prices with your competitors, and kind of doing more research before they gain that confidence to really book with you. So constantly keeping your hotel top of mind by utilizing display and retargeting ads is a great way to do that. And the third way we can market digitally for hotels online using paid methods is through Google Hotel Ads, and might as well lead into meta search, because Google Hotel Ads is a meta search channel. It's a Google's dedicated way to advertise for Google hotels, for hotels in on Google, and it's really effective, really, in driving direct bookings. If you want to you want to learn more about Google Hotel Ads, I've actually made another separate video on specifically on Google Hotel Ads, which I'll link just right below this video on the top corner right there for you to watch, and you can check that out. So yep, Google Hotel Ads is a meta search, and if you don't know what meta search is, meta search is basically a site which compares prices of different of different hotels, of different channels online. So that can be Google Hotel Ads. That's the first. Secondly, it can be on Trivago, or thirdly, it can be on TripAdvisor, right? So ideally, you should be on all three of these channels to maximize your visibility. Again, visibility online means digital marketing. That's basically what it means. Marketing is just promoting or selling yourself online, I guess. And yeah, Trivago and TripAdvisor are alongside Google Hotel Ads is a great way to advertise your hotel online. And in order to do that, again, you should check out my Google Hotel Ads video to kind of go more in depth on meta search and how to start running meta search ads, meta search advertising, which is really effective in gaining more direct bookings. And the last but not least of the paid method in order to market your hotel digitally online is through social media ads. So apart from, if you notice, you can either do social media posts, which is organically, it doesn't cost you anything. You just need effort put into it in order to create engaging and good content for people to watch, right? And how do you advertise through social media ads? What are the most effective ways to advertise on social media? Is well, firstly, you can retarget website visitors, right? Imagine when you will visit a website, not only you still see information about that website on other websites, but also when they scroll through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, right? And you're able to get that data from people who visited on that on your website, and you are able to channel it to different social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Meta, they call it now, and TikTok, and you're able to constantly retarget them with your content, and really convincing them of how amazing your hotel is. Well, that's the first way to retarget website visitors through social media ads. The second way is to target a broad audience. Well, it's kind of in the same in kind of in the same niche as search ads on Google Ads, because you're kind of targeting not specifically, not everyone, but people with some sort of intent who are looking to plan their trip to book a hotel, right? And you can use that with specific audiences on social media ads, such as Facebook ads or Instagram ads, right? You're able to select audiences who are interested in those kind of services, locations, or intent that you're able to target. So that's targeting broad audiences on social media ads. And third way you can do it, you can advertise through paid channels on social media is by an awareness and engagement campaign. So this does not directly gets you, such as compared to other methods, this does not directly gets you direct bookings, but building awareness and engagement is really the top of funnel of every marketing and advertising strategy, because you need people to kind of aware that you are online, that you are visible online first, right? So this will feed into other strategies and methods that we talked about here, because you need to get your hotel discovered first online. That is through awareness and engagement, and through that people gain trust, people check out your social media posts, people visit your website, people get retargeted back and forth all the time, and they start building that kind of connection with you after they are aware and after they engage with your content. So yep, that's basically everything that you need to know. All the main really known and what I found really helpful in terms of advertising my hotel and market my hotel digitally online. And yep, you can either do it organic when you're starting out, when you don't have that much budget to advertise online, and once you get a couple of visitors, and once you have, maybe you can allocate a certain amount of budget after your high season where there's a lot of bookings coming in and the margins are really high, you can allocate a lot of those a lot of the revenue that you have towards paid advertising, which is super important if you want to scale your hotel to get more bookings and to get more direct bookings, importantly for your hotel. So I hope that was helpful. And if you want to kind of learn more about how to market your hotel online, digitally, either through organic or paid, I go into this into a lot more detail in my free course that I have, which I'll link right below this video. So feel free to check that out. And yeah, it's also a free community with a lot of people in there, all passionate hoteliers, kind of sharing their problems and getting help. So if that sounds like you, then definitely check the link right down below for the free course and the free community. Come join us and everyone in the community. And yeah, I hope that you found this video helpful again. And I'll see you in the next video.